Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a quick unboxing of the last order I got from sciplus.com. That's American Science and Surplus. First item, I cut this off so it fit in the drawer where I keep it better. It's a bunch of shirt button batteries. Next item, a neodymium magnet, 1.5 by 1/2 by 1/8. I have plans for it. The next item, Velcro brand adhesive for plastics. It claims to be permanent glue. Go and test it out. I got 2. You see those 6 screws on the back? These are double pull, double throw switches. I need 1 for my powered threading project on my lathe. I'm going to get back on that. And another one, I've got potentially another idea. I ordered 5 each of CR 2025 and CR 2032 coat button batteries. And as someone who made her within the time frame, I got that. It's a refrigerator magnet with cup, teaspoon, tablespoon, fluid ounce, and milliliter equivalents. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, just doing a little bit of computer housekeeping on this other computer right here. Right over here. Anyway, that's my latest order from American Science and Surplus, sciplus.com. I have no affiliation with them other than the fact I spend money there. And I've been happy with everything I bought from them. Everything. And all this merchandise you just saw, it was funded by a generous $600 COVID stimulus relief check from the state of California. And I still got money left. Yeah, I haven't been spending it all on beer. Although that would stimulate the economy like that, wouldn't it? But I haven't. 4 minutes. Anyway, that's that unboxing. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Get vaccinated. Wear gloves. Socially distance. The life you save may be yours.